Hello students. Now let us continue the poem The Little Busy Bee. In the last class we have seen how the bees build their cells skillfully. Okay, they are admirable. Now let us go to the next stanza. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. So what do you mean by this? In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. The poet here says that he speaks about himself. He wants himself to involve in the busy activities, in the useful activities, like how the bees were engaged, were involved in the useful activities and how they are useful to the other people. So in work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too. Even the poet also wants himself to get involved in the useful activities, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. If we become idle, what happens? We should not be tempted to be idle or sit around doing nothing. If we become idle, what happens? Mischievous and destructive thoughts come to our mind that leads to cause destruction, that leads to do some mischief and evil things. Now there is a saying, an idle mind is a devil's workshop. Here the Satan the poet means is Satan, evil spirit, or king of devils. That means the destructive thoughts come to our mind to do evil things and mischiefs. For Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. The Satan manages to do evil things and mischiefs. So what the poet wants to say here, to get involved in useful activities. We should not be tempted to be idle, or we should not waste our time. And in the last 4 lines, here's a message the poet wants to convey us. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good account at last. Now, there is a message the poet conveys here. In books or work or healthful play, the poet wants to spend his boyhood days by reading good books and playing healthy games, and let his years be spent like this. Early school days. First year, the phrase first years here refers to his school days. That I may give for every day some good account at last. That means if he be involved in useful activities, now he would be confident to show his work done at the end. So this is what the poet wants to convey the message. He wants to spend his school days by reading good books, playing healthy games or sports, and for that, so that he would be confident to show his work done at the end. So this is what the message the poet wants to show. Now let us see how honey is taken from the cell. Look at this picture, children. This is the nectar collected. This is in the form of honey. This nectar is how this is extracted from the beehive. Look at the picture, how it is poured into a tray and then it is converted into honey. In this way, honey is extracted from the nectar. It never spoils. The honey never gets spoiled. Now, these are the words that we came across in the poem. Doth. Doth means old form of does. Improve. Make good use of time. Shining, bright. Gather, collect. Skillful, clever. Cell, a small compartment in the hive. Satan, evil spirit or king of devils. Mischief, injury or damage. Idle, doing nothing. Now we have completed the poem. Now what is there in the poem? The summary of the poem is now how the poet describes how the bees collect nectar and stores in the beehive, how the bees build their cells or compartments beautifully, though it is complicated, and how he wants himself and also us, the other people, to be busy like bees, how they work hard, how they work hard since morning throughout the day. And in the same way, the poet wants us to be wants us to work hard and to be useful to the society. We should not be tempted to be idle. So this is what the message the poet wants to convey in the poem, The Little Busy Bee. This is all about the poem, The Little Busy Bee. So let us end up here. Thank you.